what's going on, everybody. We got some good lemonade right here. It's an easy video. I'm going to explain why you should drink this instead of actual plain water. You don't have to drink this all the time. Now, there's multiple benefits to this, and some of them I'm not even going to reach. But what you need to know most is water goes into the body. So the more water that has more nutrition, and what would you talk about when we talk about this? There would be such thing as cow milk as a liquid, or maybe like a broth soup, or maybe like a smoothie, kind of like a juice. Water is not as hydrating as this. So you'll notice when you drink this, you'll be drinking less quantities, which is better, and you'll feel more refreshed, rejuvenated. There's just more in here when you make the lemonade. There's a reason why, I don't know if it's all around the world, but in America, everyone drinks lemonade. It's like the hit thing. And it's way better than what you get in the store when you just get the lemon and do it yourself. And it's very easy. So the beneficial of this is that it's kind of like a Powerade or Gatorade, but it's better. This is the real Gatorade or Powerade. So I'm gonna make one real quick. I use these mason jars. These are really good. I'll talk about them in another video. I got the wide mouth ones, so grab the wide mouth ones if you do plan on getting these. I don't usually make a pitcher. I usually just make half a quart, so which would be like, what, a pint? 2 cups. So, but I'm gonna make a quart because I'm actually going on a long trip today. I'm gonna want a lot. And we're gonna be slurping a lot. This drink just makes... So first I'm gonna grab some water. I usually do use tap water, but the thing is, I do have this water bottle here. I have I don't drink water. I don't drink water. My body doesn't want it. And this is why, I drink everything, most of the stuff, and this is the only thing that hydrates me. I can tell you about how I stopped drinking pop because my stepdad used to work for Pepsi and I drank pop all the time. But that's another story. This isn't story time. So we are making a Gatorade right here. The real one. What the Gatorade's supposed to emulate. And we're just gonna throw in some other water because we need some. You can follow me if you need to. So we're gonna fill this to the brim. Now usually I use maple syrup or honey, and you're not going to be able to mix the honey if it's really good honey because it's going to be hard, so you're going to have to get warm water. But I'm just using cane sugar. It's way cheaper than buying honey and maple syrup all the time. I'm not afraid of sugar, and this is what also hydrates you too. So you can do it to your liking. If you put too much sugar in there, then the sugar's just gonna be overflowing in there. It just won't mix. You'll know if you put too much in there. So about 1/4 a cup per quart. That's just my own. You can taste it basically. It's not really a big deal. You can get a close up. And now all we're gonna do is crack. For a whole jar, you're probably gonna use a whole lemon. For half a jar, you're gonna use a half a lemon. It depends on the shape and quality of the lemon. This is one I already have cut, so we'll smash half of this and we'll go and cut another. I have just a little handheld one. It gets the job done really fast. I do this all the time. And again, we're gonna slice this little beautiful lemon. If you want to cut good with your knives, you use this part right here. This part is dull. This is actually the sharp part of the knife when you cut. I had a cook, at least the cook told me that. So you don't want to put your glass too full with the water if you do this, because there has to be some juice for the maple syrup if you're using that, or the honey. The cane sugar is a little bit different when it comes to the density. It kind of evaporates. I'm just saying you can overflow it with the lemon juice and the maple syrup. So we'll shake this up. It's pretty good. I maybe use a little bit more sugar, but you know, I drink it all the time, so I'm kind of used to it. I'm very used to it. That is all for this video. I highly recommend this. This is one of the best drinks I've ever drank my entire life. It's more hydrating than water, and it also has many other benefits that I didn't even go over in this video. It's fun to do, it's easy, and it's a different twist from water in itself. And the combinations are endless from here. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys, and bye-bye.